welcome back to the channel. It's me, Searbear, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Searbear. It is so nice to meet you. I am back today with another recipe from the Adventure Time Cookbook. Sarah, what are we making today? Oh my god, I'm so glad you asked. We are making Magic Man ribs. No, magic barbecue ribs. Yeah, sure, I messed it up. This was suggested over on Instagram from Jacko, so thank you, Jacko, for the suggestion. Sorry it took me so long, but we're here now. The only thing that I tried to look ahead for ribs, because I'll be so for real, I've never made ribs before. Like, I've never made ribs before, so. And I have to like put it in the oven for 2 hours and then I gotta grill it. I don't know, I'm just gonna hope for the best. But ribs sound dope as shit right now. So we have a little thing right up here. We don't really have any quotes from Magic Man, but he's a hoot and a holler, really. Magic! I use my amazing powers to change old train parts into gooey ribs. Just follow this recipe and you too will have tangy barbecue sauce flowing through you like moonlight through a ghost dance. How specific. Everyone is welcome to share these magic ribs. Rats, weeds, tiny manticores. Just thinking of everybody. How kind. There's only 7 steps. There's a lot of seasoning. Naturally. Yeah, naturally. But I don't think it's going to be too bad. I mean, 2 hours on 300 degrees. God damn. So, it's going to take a minute, but yeah, I guess. Alright, I guess let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, and here are all the ingredients. I didn't get a small bowl, but whatever, good enough. Wow, ribs! And then I mixed the salt and pepper. I couldn't find the dry mustard at first, and I had given up. And turns out, I had it all out and ready for me to pour. And I also added Cajun, because why not? So, let's go crazy. Let's get crazy. Anyway, let's go ahead and read what we have to do. Doesn't seem too bad. Lots of waiting. That's okay, I got a lot of stuff to do. In a small bowl, mix together the brown sugar, onion, garlic, paprika, chili, mustard, salt, and pepper. Sprinkle the rub on both sides of the slab of ribs and rub it into the meat well. Wrap the ribs in a few layers of aluminum foil, then let them sit in the fridge for a couple of hours. Oh, I feel like that's pretty mixed. Let's flip this bad boy over. I don't think I'm having this for dinner today. I was like, yeah, 2 hours. Set in the fridge. Wait, it wasn't but it wasn't in the... So, luck. I don't know what Jenny. Keep your head down, that's done like Jenny. Who else got him obsessed like Jenny? Like. Okay. Damn, this shit's heavy. Preheat oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Place ribs on a baking sheet and put in the oven for 2 hours. Take the ribs out of the foil, brush some of the barbecue sauce on both sides, grill them for 4 to 5 minutes on each side or until they start to char and the sauce is bubbling hot. I don't technically have a grill, so I'm just gonna throw it back in there for 5 to 6 minutes or whatever. Let's take this off first and see how it turned out before we elaborate. This is too hard for Elmo. Stay right there while I do this. It's hot. Ooh, juicy ass grill. Well, hold on, that's not. Hold on. Oh my god, can you see it? Oh my god. It's beautiful. It smells so good in here. Alright, so I'm gonna throw it back into the oven for like another 15 minutes, I guess. I don't know. Let me check the internal temperature. I think that'll help me decide how long to put it in there for. I think what, 180 is where it ends up being. I think that's where we needed to keep our hot dogs whenever we ate the movie theater. Let me do it a little bit more in though. Okay, looks like we're good. Well, let me check. Let me go ahead and Google real quick. Oh, I'm sorry. I mean, let me just look it up on the internet. Okay, well, I have this and I'm just going to all over it. All over it. Why did I grab a fork? This ended up being sitting out, or not sitting out, but sat in the fridge all night. Just because I go to bed super early, so it wasn't gonna, like, if I started it last night, I would not have finished it in time for bed, and I get angry when I don't sleep enough, so I'm doing everybody a favor here. Okay, so I'm gonna lather this shit. Is that what it says? This feels so, yep. I got hickory and brown sugar. Yes, baby. Thought it would complement the brown sugar nicely. Ginger wants some. Yep. Not yet though. No, none. Whoop. Man, stop. Baby, mind your business, huh? Move your baby butt, huh? Like, Mom, there's food here for me and only me. Thank you for feeding me so often. I don't even feed you that often. I feed you the normal amount and then you act like you've been starved when you haven't been starved. Oh, she's gone. She made me start to lecture. These tongs. Because I got them. Okay, let's do Everybody Was Kung Fu Fighting. Uh-oh. Okay. It didn't splash everywhere. I really thought it was going to. I'm making a mess. I'm trying not to, but as you can see, I'm failing miserably here. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it in the oven a little bit longer. Maybe like 5 minutes or something. I know it won't have the same effect without it being like grilled, but look. We don't got a lot of choices here. I'm so fucking excited. My mouth is watering. Ugh. Got everywhere. Dude, everything's a mess. I'm gonna cry. Not really. I'm actually medicated now. Wait. Alright, BRB. Let's take this bad boy out. I might have overcooked it. I don't really see it bubbling, but I think it's gonna be fine. I don't want to get my hands dirty, but I might have to get my hands dirty anyway. Or just do this. Big brain hacks. Big brain hacks. Okay, let's plate this bad boy up. I'm gonna heat up some rice with this. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna have to clean that up. Oh my god. There we go. Yeah, that one was so much better. Christ. Alright. Alright, and here's the reveal. I cut a little too much on that one. I don't even know how to cut ribs, man. Whatever. Look at it! I made ribs for the first time! Okay, I'm gonna go get Mr. Bear. I kinda wanna keep this piece. They're so fucking messy right now. This is too much for me. I'm getting overstimulated. Oh! Kept my calm there. Totally did. Okay, so. Oh, I should take these off, because then you can see the reflection. This is so fucking funny. Oh, hold on. No, it's not, because I can't see. Because he's saying that.
I knew what you were doing.
That's right. If it's bad, we still have a lot of it. So.
That's good.
She's been baby. Okay.
Not what you expected.
Huh?
Don't that what you expected. Look at all this meat.
Baby. Go. Okay, I think I got the piece now. Stop. I'm gonna fight you. Did you see her almost trip me immediately? She's trying to kill me.
That's the only way to get the food on the floor.
That's fucked up. Okay, let's try. You already tried it? Do you like it?
I'm going for you to try it.
Oh.
You do the same thing to me.
Okay.
Pretty good?
It's pretty fucking good. Anyway, it's good as shit. It's fucking good. Totally worth that wait. I'm sure it would have tasted a lot better if I had grilled it, but this already tastes good. Fantastic. 20 out of 10. 20 out of 10. I don't know if I would make it again. Maybe if I had like a whole day of nothing to do, which is usually impossible. I think I'd make it again. Or like if I was trying to impress people. Christmas is in 2 days. Oh, I'm already too late. Anyway, this was good. This is delicious. I love it. Tastes so yummy. And can't wait to make again one day. I think I would make it with my friend JR. JR, if you're watching this, let's make some ribs, brother. It's getting a lot of waiting though. So I guess we'll have to watch the next season of Ted Lasso. Even though we finished it too, by the way. Get your butt out of here! Okay, I have to take her in. Alright, so she's under arrest. Look at her. Isn't that the face of... Oh, she's so cute. Isn't that the face of a lawbreaker? She's so pretty. And now she hates me. But anyway, that's all I got for you guys today. I was so excited about the ribs that I forgot to say my favorite part in the whole video, which is if there's anything that you guys want me to make from the Adventure Time cookbook, you have a list of options, right? Here for you. Past Sarah, girl, you're slacking over here. Pause to read if you need. I'm so happy with how it turned out. Oh my god. I made them with these hands. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I also finally started Super Porp a couple days ago. That will be out whenever it comes out. Obviously, it's going to be after this video. But just know I am working on it. It just took me forever, so... But I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. What is your opinion on ribs? Do you not like ribs? Do you like steak? Do you like pork chops? Isn't it? Ribs is kind of like pork, right? I'm just a girl. But anyway, yeah, thank you guys so much for stopping by today. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to hang out with me until the end of the video. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Okay, bye! Look at her through. Okay, I'm being too much now. Bye! Damn, this shit's heavy. I don't technically have a grill, so I'm just gonna throw it back in there for 5 to 6 minutes or whatever. Let's take this off first and see how it turned out. Oh yeah, babe. This is too hard for Elmo. Stay right there while I do this. It's hot. Ooh, juicy ass grill. Well, hold on, that's not. Hold on. Oh my god, can you see it? Oh my god. It's beautiful. It smells so good in here. Alright, so I'm gonna throw it back into the oven for like another 15 minutes, I guess. I don't know. Man, stop! Baby, mind your business, huh? I'm making a mess. I'm trying not to, but as you can see, I'm failing miserably here. So now I'm gonna put it in the oven a little bit longer. Maybe like 5 minutes or something. I know it won't have the same effect without it being like grilled, but look. We don't got a lot of choices here. Dude, everything's a mess. I'm gonna cry. Not really. I'm actually meditating now. Wait. I might have overcooked it. I don't really see a problem, but I think it's gonna be fine. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna have to clean that up. Oh my god. There we go. Yeah, that one was so much better. Christ. Alright. Alright, and here's the reveal. I cut a little too much on that one. I don't even know how to cut ribs, man. Whatever. Look at it! I made ribs for the first time! Okay, I'm gonna go get Mr. Bear. I'm gonna get this piece. I'm so fucking messy right now. This is too much for me. I'm getting overstimulated. Oh! Kept my calm there. Totally did. Okay, so. Oh, I should take these off, because then you can see the reflection. This is so fucking funny. Oh, hold on. No, it's not, because I can't see. Because he's saying that.
I knew what you were doing.
That's right. If it's bad, we still have a lot of it. So.
That's good.